Welcome to the world of biology. Today, I'll be dissecting a frog. But first, let's get ready the needed materials such as the dissecting tools and the lab attire. So stay tuned, keep watching, and let's learn together. To better understand the frog's anatomy, let's take a look at this picture. We can see the external parts of the frog. At the head part are the eyes, nostrils, and mouth, along with the tympanum, which serves as the ear. The trunk and back are covered with dry and sometimes smooth warty skin. The forelegs have unwebbed feet, while the hind legs are longer and have webbed feet to help in frog's movement. We can also see the digits and the vocal sac, which is used by males to produce calls. Now, let's proceed in the internal parts of the frog. First, we need to paralyze the frog. Using the probe, I'll insert it through the soft spot of the dorsal area of the frog. Here, you can see the tympanic membrane, which serves as a frog's eardrum. It receives sound vibrations from the environment. Right next to the frog's eye is an ectotating membrane, a transparent layer that helps to keep the eye moist and protected while the frog is on land. Next is to place the frog in the alternative dissecting pan or on the illustration board.
Years later.
So after placing the frog in the illustration board, I'll be using the forceps to lift the skin and make a small incision using the iris scissor. Let's continue to cut it until the skin is finally separated to the frog's abdominal wall. Let's proceed cutting the frog's abdominal wall to see the internal organs and identify their function. Here, we can see the frog's liver with its three parts: the right lobe, the left anterior lobe, and the left posterior lobe. Just beneath it is the gallbladder, a tiny booger-like organ. We can also see the lungs, the large and small intestine, the stomach, the spleen, and the fat bodies. This frog is male because it has a thickened pads on its stump, which help him to hold the female during mating. cutting the most important organ in the frog's body, the heart. It pumps blood throughout the body and delivers oxygen and nutrients to tissues. Let's take a look inside the frog's mouth. We can see the tongue. It has a slimy texture attached in front of the frog's mouth to catch the prey. At the back is the opening of the esophagus and also the maxillary and vomerine teeth that helps the frog to grip its food. Inside is the internal openings of the eustachian tube. The round opening is the esophagus opening that is directly behind the glottis leading down to the stomach. Now, I'm removing the frog's eyeballs, which are black in color, along with nictitating membrane, which is thin and transparent. So as you can see, the food is already digested in the frog's stomach. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something new.